Ni o ma ni di kita ho se on budua ya be hye yenuanom yi anionyam ampa enne on di dwumadi ni hye Safuhene di awo ne achamehene ne mpenifoɔ nsa ampa yenuanom ye ne on kasa ye on so ade atom se adwuma no on bɛyɛ ati muhu ya ha dwumadi a mo de hye ye nsa se ya nkyere Tufuhene ane ne chairman on ma ye nsa ka wa ye de on ba bɛkyerɛ nana kruti ne mpenifoɔ dwumadi a mo de hye ye nsa no anti ne ye namo beni nyasa abramo de kasa
Abrao, Yanyamo, Patamo, Abravo,
and they pay come, pay okra, video okra. Say no man pay for no, or so what I was it. Sir, Ben actually, now you this year on chill, and you are sure so many tobacco. And now tobacco, or does it be Amanya Consul, or Phantom Ray, or Mano, now pay for her, or Mana Bama, Tino Massi. Some Nana Chiabe Aswaria. Nana Machay, Ordinal Aquaman, Nanano, Mutata, Mutumanataya,
free osro afre osro ne asase fena chame pani ebebo mpaye afre nananom
oh nyakopo twedi ampo kwa me nsan asase ya ampo nyam nsan Tapa Amanya to bosom kase nsan tigare bofo nsan agro bofo nsan yetimi oje abo nsan debu makose nsan ana bakata kwe nsan asuwa nsan odo nsan abaku nsan oh shoko ya kanta manto skole asukase yi opabre ade bi no mo bretu nsan asona nsan ahina simadu nsan ahina sawiri nsan Nana ntia once nsan amakra do tu nsan amakra do pon nsan achami ose nsan nana du asare nsan achami asamo nsan sobi ona na no nya adwen ni aka ma kwaku ampa mo na mo be chichira amanya man to ho na ne ya beto aso ade achi se nyina na mre ye kwa yanim amanya man atrase hu se bia ye duru no kro no atre ye hia mpuntuo anti omani disi yani so se ya resabia no babia aduru no ye hia se ye tremu ampa ye hyase o gwentu ahene okomfo sa kire Bedi bi no mo ampa wo mre so na de abrofi ba kromu hai o be she ye library yase o mo ko ye che clinic yase no mo hu sampa amanya man ya ni hini ye ba adwuma ye asiane se ye abodi bofo ya she clinic yase o mo ehwe sei o mo so ba be boa ye na ye timi awie ni anya ba bi a ya pomudin ye be kwa akohwe ampa won abedru krodua yi mu ye ni won di nkita ho akwa asafo adwuma fefefe nananom si won ti ase no oso ne ofru dua pa ne ye pian no to ampa ati ye ni obe mai anada ya ye kasai ya twa no Tufuhene asiama ye yi na kire amanya man se efri na ekoi nananom atrankonya transia na wo free abrochimam UK anahi UK eba bedura na oka amanya man empenifo ho sana otiami osai the chief linguist otiami osai onu so ba na oka amanya man ani amanya empenifo ho ampa ana continue no empenifo so mo ehwe ni sa okra wo nsam snaps pantu ana no yenye na yen fra soro frase ye monu mo soro ya no mase ye amanya man kwaso Tapa man kwaso sana Tufuhene asiama no kwaso ochiami osai no kwaso obusofo de ene ye kan nananom madaroma yenyi won tisu musuo oni obadwe bone de mo fa sa bone ko na yase o
I want to use this time to express my gratitude to you all. It has been a great honor and privilege to be here and to accept this role. Thanks to God for his blessing and to be here with us and walking with us all. I'd like to thank the chiefs and the elders and the people of the community for welcoming us with open arms. Thank you to the children for brightening our day and making this trip extra special. Thank you to Collins for his hard work and organisation. Thanks to Alfred, Patrick and Bismarck for their guidance, and to Bismarck for driving us everywhere we go. And thank you to my friend Busy for travelling a long way to be here with us. Thank you to Comfort for cooking for us during our trip. Thank you to Beatrice and Elizabeth for looking after us at the compound. Thank you to Francis and John Afari for their hospitality and also to my companion Joseph Johnson for sharing this precious time with me. Last but not least, thank you to Ben Johnson. His spirit has been with us throughout our time here. Without him, none of this would be possible. We love you. In this time, I would like to remember our friends and forefathers that are now dead and gone. And I'm sorry if I've missed anyone. My promise now is to work closely with the community and TACO to ensure the construction of the health centre is completed and to support any further development within the town and surrounding areas. With God's grace and guidance, we have real hope for the future of the town and Ghana, that it will be a bright one. Thank you all. Madasi Pa.
Thank you.
Firstly, I would like to thank everyone in the community of Tapa Amanya. You have all been so kind and welcoming, and we really feel at home. Madasi. When my brother was here 15 years ago, he told me how amazing the people in the community were. And now I've seen it for myself, and it's all true. When we lost Ben last year, it left a hole in mine and my family's heart. And we didn't know what to do with the pain, the grief, and the losing of such a bright, happy person. We also didn't know what to do with the love that we had for Ben. That's when at Ben's funeral, Matt approached me, and he said he wanted to do something for Ben's memory, to raise money for a charity close to Ben's heart. And the first thing we thought of was Tapa Amanya. Ben had such an amazing time here. He loved the people, the culture, and the way of life, and it really helped him grow and become a better person who loved to travel, adventure, and help people. So we raised money from our friends, family, we climbed mountains, Mathew ran a marathon, we sold what we could, and all of us gave, and it gave all of us a distraction and a place to put our pain and our grief. And coming here, seeing the amazing work you have all done on the medical centre and the library, and meeting you all has given us somewhere to put our love for Ben. Me and Mathew are honoured and humbled to be made chief and advisor. So for this wonderful community, we promise to continue to show our support and to try and raise the funds the town needs, because Tapa Amanya is a beautiful place with beautiful people. So we want to make it the best place it can be, and we really want to be a part of it. Thank you. So Madasi, and God bless. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Jam, you're saying?
Nyankopon, twedi ampon, a oboye no, medikan danasi. Sana sidano aba me mpenifu a yebu tapaman. Me hemafo, safohenfo, safohema, enja busuan penifo nyina, medamasi. Na Mada on planning program yin so meda on so ase se o ma hwe na sa dwumadi abaso meda munyina ase na maba me mindful so maba wa emrewa mrantewa ne enkwakra nyina meda mo so ase se sa dwumadi so maba matumi aba be kan ho na ye de ko na wie me kan me kan wi so sada minimu se papa yi Mathew anase Joseph. Oye mabusuani mapa. Wadi kan ba 2009. Sa mre ne ye nkoda nkete. Oye mabusuani pi. Ti magina wa tu. Sa tumi a ye de ahye ne nsai. Minimu se anase meka ye nananom se dwumade a ye de ahye ne nsai ana tumi a ye de ahye ne nsai. Obetumi aye so adwuma e de aman. Na mesere me nananom ani twedi ampon se ohun sen e kon wachi a omo ohun ban emfo mkosi babia a ohun fi bae na babia ska biara a omuyi edi fi babia de beboa ye clinic mesere se nyankopon no ara ensanhye emu ekina emfama won na mesremu se timamfo nso obi ede nisika ede boa yen mesre moma yemfa ya hoden ani ne nimude ne yemfa en support on baby omuyi omusika ne fie no na eso aba emfaso ede aban ye hwe ne se bia wa chirichiri enso ye ahaya mesre ye mabawa no so mesre ene ye mrantie no ye mabawa ne ye mrantie no so ene time bia be fresi ye ko asafo adwuma no mesre mu mon kanya mo woni nyina yenko ni yenko boa ye nananom anase ye nanom ni ajanom mehwe mo pa na asida eni kabia na medema amanyaman ene me mpenifo ene maburu ne mrantiwa ne amanyaman nyina medamasi kakra metumi aka no
Nana kasiya papa mama msam kasiya ema achedi ede ma nana eskema yi ene achame asai sa papa
ai afena nana asiama asori achedie manyamai ede manno
Nana Esiama,
sa
we are privileged to have you in our midst, and we appreciate all that you've been doing for us.
msam kasiya ai nana yama ede achedie nama
sa yada ase
ai nana hema ede achedie nama nana asiama Tufuhene London.
sit down. Yeah, now Ochamio say you call the Kronti Hima to give you your gift. You hear? Somebody have a friend and a Kronti Hima na odi Ochami Achedie Aman.
Hello.
Hi.
My baby decided my Ochami Woyena Yedimu.
Amen.
You say on behalf of Tapa community. We appreciate whatever you've come to do here, and we wish the God's blessings on you. Going back to your destination, we appreciate what you've done. So on behalf of Amanya community, we present this to you as a token, so that whenever you go, wherever you go, and you put it on, you remember Tapa Amanya and come to help us whatever you do. Thank you.